Welcome to the world of wonders where birds take flight, animals roam free, and every creature tells the story of life on Earth. The Emperor Tamarin is one of the most fascinating monkeys in the world, instantly recognized for its long, white moustache that gives it a wise and royal look. Despite being small in size, usually weighing between 500 grams to 1 kilogram, it is full of energy and agility. Covered in grey fur with darker hands and feet, this monkey's most striking feature is its long moustache that extends beyond both sides of the face, a trait that inspired its name after a German emperor's moustache. Native to the Amazon rainforest in countries like Brazil, Peru and Bolivia, the Emperor Tamarin is an arboreal species that spends most of its time in treetops, skillfully climbing and balancing with the help of its long tail. They are highly social animals living in troops of 4 to 15 members, usually led by the oldest female, making them matriarchal. Interestingly, males play an important role in raising the young, often carrying babies most of the time, which is rare in many monkey species and highlights their strong cooperation. Their diet is omnivorous, including fruits, flowers, nectar, insects, and occasionally small reptiles or bird eggs, and through seed dispersal they act as forest gardeners, helping maintain the balance of their ecosystem. Communication among them involves chirps and whistles to warn about predators, and they also groom each other to strengthen bonds while the young spend hours playing and chasing. Predators like snakes, wild cats, and birds of prey pose threats, but their speed and agility in the canopy help them survive. They are diurnal, active during the day and sleeping closely together at night for protection. With sharp eyesight and a strong sense of smell, they find food and stay alert to danger, and the moustache may even serve as a signal of maturity, helping males attract females. Their lifespan ranges from 10 to 15 years in the wild and sometimes longer in captivity, but sadly deforestation and hunting have put their populations at risk. Conservation efforts, including protected areas in the Amazon and care in zoos worldwide, are helping ensure their survival. Admired for their unique appearance and playful behavior, these monkeys are featured in documentaries, photographs, and educational programs, serving as ambassadors for rainforest conservation. The Emperor Tamarin, with its iconic moustache and royal charm, symbolizes the creativity of nature, the importance of even the smallest creatures in ecological balance, and the urgent need to protect wildlife for future generations. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos.